So you know the TikToker name Ableboss and you know the TikToker name Raja. Well, the two of them have a mutual gifter we name Louise. And before I go any further, man them, don't look on the picture. Make me continue. So Raja and Abel are beef because Raja and the gifter a friend, Louise. But Louise and Ableboss a friend too, and she a complain to Raja say Ableboss trick her and take £8,000 from her. Two of them be in a sort of relationship, and Ableboss tell her say him have hemorrhoids, so him put him trust in her, and she want to see the proof. So because him trust her so much, him send her that picture there and him backdoor for sure say yes, I have hemorrhoids and what I can take for treatments, I need treatments, blah blah blah. And that's how she send the money. So Ableboss a confide in her, and she take the picture and send Raja it, and then Raja and Abel in a beef, and him use the picture and expose it. If you want to go see the picture what I talk about, as I say, man, don't go look. But if you want to see the picture, just go up on Google, type in this way you see on the screen, radam.com, and you are going to see the picture. So now all of the female TikToker them out and a different Abel, like Daima, K, all of them where you can think of. Them a different Abel and I say, she should have never put that out there because I help him ask her for, and him a show her what really happened to him and say more treatment in the conversation.